Alright, what's up, y'all? Alright, so today we're going to be installing a digital cluster. Got this old style one. We have the new one right here. Going to be all digital. Yeah, we'll see how it gets after. Because it just usually has the orange lights on it. It's pretty outdated. So hopefully this thing wakes it up and makes it look so much better. So yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, gonna remove the 2 bolts here. All right, which I already did. All right, so remove these 2 bolts, slide it forward, and you have these clips are gonna be popping out of here. Just removing them. Slide it out. All right. All right, and then you have this bottom connector that you need to pull out. Might need 2 after this. All right, we got the screen installed. So you put both screws back in. See how this thing looks. I'm very curious. She said, son. All right, let's get it. Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Let's see, tire pressure. They got some cool things on here. Oh, sweet. Cool, gotta change the settings for the bar pressure, but that's PSI. 30 miles per hour, that's good. Cool. I mean, it looks pretty good. I can see it pretty well. This is way better than the screen we just had, that's for sure. Let's compare. Oops. That to that. Yeah, I'll take that all day. All right, cool. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is a pretty easy swap. Like I said, just 2 bolts, 1 cable. Swapped it all over within, I don't know, like 10 minutes. Very easy. Just do make sure you disconnect that battery before you do anything. And yeah. All right, so I got the view at night. Wanted you guys to see what it looked like. All right, so this is gonna be the new cluster installed. Let's check it out. I think it came out pretty sick. I got different little cluster you can put on too, so it's pretty cool. You can change the style. Yeah, just a little whip right here. But no, I'm loving this thing. I've been already driving it for the whole day. I adjusted some settings on it. I really like how it looks. I think it looks crazy futuristic now, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it's pretty fire, but yeah, let me know. Pretty easy install if you ask me, so definitely I want to recommend to a lot of people out here with any F30 or any other type of Beamer you got. All right, you guys have a good one.